bag. Basic one except for Lou. Jay has had basic in the U.S. outward bound school, but he's without because he's going to take a refresher with our basic 2, aside from that he's done advanced intermediate 1 and 2. And has done, you haven't done advanced 1 and 2 yet. So he's just boogie. Okay, go ahead. You don't need an 8. Okay, as a refresher, I'm sure you haven't forgotten the use of all this equipment, right? In case you have, that's alright, that's good you're here. Okay, you can have one spare mantle. Anyone. Okay, these are different types of ropes. You've got the hot-boarded ones, have an outer sheeting, and usually they're made of straight strands inside. As you can see, they're multicolored. This type is divided into 2 different designs, so that you know when the second half is. You notice one type is of a different design, the other is a different design. So you know this is the other half and that's the other half. And the real ropes approved, certified by the Union International Alpinistes, or UIAA, are Kermantle ropes. They're used for climbing. Okay? And of course you've seen the others, right? Multicolored, different designs, and all certified. The only Hauser laid type of rope that is certified for climbing is this cordage, the white rope, and it's nylon or nylon. It's made of nylon. I'm going to run fast through this because we'll have a long day, and definitely it's going to be a hell of a lot of climbing today. We'll be doing 2 rappels, D-locking carabiner, stoppers, of course the specialty types of carabiners, special in color, that's all. These are all, yeah. The figure of 8, which is used for rappelling. Chit, send down a line so that I could use it for rappelling demonstration, okay? And then I'm going to have to ask you the D non-locking. These are pitons which are inserted into cracks. If you don't trust the stoppers, you could pound this into cracks with the use of a hammer. Okay? And these are different types of stoppers with the varying manufacturers. Some are made in England, some in the US, some in Korea. Is this Korean made? Yeah. Okay. And you call this taper locks, the ones with the sort of a tapered design, and eccentrics. And it's a cum lock. The design of the cum lock was made so that when you insert it into a crack and pull it on one side, it tends to lock by itself. It has an automatic camming system. That's why it's made like this. So that once you pull it on one side, it turns. It tends to lock itself on the wall, on the crack. Okay? these are Jumar ascenders. They're used to. Can I have a rope, please? So they can only go on one side, but not downwards, only upwards. You will learn the use of this, the technique of this, in advanced too. But we employ different belaying techniques with the use of Jumars. And today we will employ the basic Jumar belaying technique. Or you can employ what you call a body belay system, which we will demonstrate in a few minutes. Okay? So it's a type of belay system which we don't normally use. If you want to lower somebody down a mountain without him having to rappel, put it. Then you can lower him very slowly with not enough friction for him to slide down. Okay? You can also use it for belay. When a climber starts his first ascent, you can use this for belay. You can call the small eccentrics as the hex. Give me a hex, so I'll give you the small ones. If I tell you I want a bong, just give me the big one. We call this the bong. Okay, what else do we have here? We have the slings. These are nylon ladders, etriers, in other words, etriers. Okay, they colored stoppers. Normally they have this design, this color coding for ease of use. Red stoppers, so you know what it is. Okay, eccentrics. These are the locally made eccentrics. Heavier than the imported ones.
Where do you buy the locally made ones?
These are made locally.
Where do you buy them?
A couple of climbing friends of ours sort of developed them and tested them. We've used them in many climbs. Even in Kinabalu, we've used them in donkey's ears. They're pretty well. They do pretty well.
But where would you buy it?
It's not really commercially made. It's just that if you request them, if you want to buy 5, they make 5 for you. So, but it's not for commercial production. Okay, the taper locks, sort of angled taper locks. Belayer. So he is belayed. The moment you anchor yourself to the wall, then you are belayed. I am not belayed because I'm going to do the climbing. So I give my commands. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Check his gear. Check mine. Please. Okay. Now what he's going to do this time after that is he's going to where's your equipment sling? Oh, there it is. Okay. Let me use this thing. Okay. My partner is going to employ what you call a shock absorber. In the event that I fall, the impact on the rope or the pressure of the rope from my fall will not go directly to him. See, if he doesn't have that thing, in case I fall on the wall, it goes directly to him, right? Hits him square. With this, it hits the carabiner first and sort of absorbs the impact. So a shock absorber is very important, so that this thing gets the main shock first and you don't get thrown off. Okay? Okay, partner? Look at the system. I'm climbing. Okay, so I start climbing. Sorry. One of the basic things I forgot was to get the equipment sling. Okay, and I carry the main bunch of equipment all the time. My partner carries an extra sling and some equipment. When you organize your equipment, be sure that the carabiner faces your body or faces inside, right? The reason behind that is that if it faces outwards and you're in a wall, standing in a wall, and you have to remove the equipment, you will find it very difficult. See, it takes a bit of effort to have to turn it around. While if it faces towards you, and it's very easy to remove it, all you have to do is do that. And if you retrieve an equipment and return it, put it back. His waist for braking. He should have gloves for the body belay. And as I progress through the wall, if face out. Fade out, yes, you see. The progress to the wall, he can fade out with his hands. That's the body belay. But what I normally use now, and what my team is using, is a Jumar belay. And the Jumar belay is used this way. It's take it in. Okay. A body belay is that when a lead man falls, the shock will not be too much for the lead man because you can easily lower it with your hands. The disadvantage of that is it will burn you to kingdom come. You know, you'll get severe burns in your hands if you don't have gloves. If you have gloves, you probably get severe burns in your waist. The disadvantage of the Jumar belay is that the shock is sudden. In case you fall, the shock is sudden, but that is compensated by the number of runners you put, protection devices you put on a wall. And the more protection devices you put, the less the distance of fall that will probably occur. So if you start climbing with a lot of runners, and if you fall, you probably fall 5 or 10 feet, which is okay, against climbing for about 20 feet and falling for 40. The distance is like 6 times. So the more protection systems you put on the wall, that will compensate for the damaging impact of a Jumar belay. There it is. First shock placement. You can have a look at it later. Oh, good. Okay. I connect my rope. Runner 1. Go ahead. Okay. So I move on. Climbing. Runner 1. You call that runner 1 or running belay 1. I move on the wall. Look for another crack. Okay. You just use your locking then. Okay. That's a copperhead. That's a stopper. Copperhead. Let me get it into your skull again. Coconut. Okay. Grab the system. Touch it. And don't grab the bottom. Otherwise it will lock. Grab the top. Put some slack. Grab the top. Wind it around. And here go. Okay. Forward. It's your navel, right? Always maintain this position. If you are about to rappel, you have the rope here. Just maintain the center here. Your navel. Maintain the center. Put the rope there. And if you're right-handed, rotate it on its axis, right. So what you do, the rope is here, put it on your right side. If you're right-handed, put it on your right side. Maintain the same position. Start from the bottom. Okay, right-handed for right-handed person. Then keep it in. Normally you have to remove it before anything else. Lock. Right-handed person. Oh, don't twist the rope. Dapat open it and never twist it. Okay, then connect it there. No, connect it there. can release this if you like, but never your lower hand, okay? So go ahead. Now your angle on the wall should be perpendicular. Good. Good. Okay, put it in the chalk right away if you wish. But I'd advise you put it so that you can practice. Because you'll be doing a much harder climb on the wall. So later, we'll change the leads. But I guess we will have to familiar animation. Then Ed and James smile, they're on camera.
First runner in.
Okay. Pag medyo nakastop kasi ganun na marami na stop, take it in.
Oh, also the other one. This one as well? Oh yeah.
They just like this already. Climbing.
Climbing. Give me some slack. More? Another. Slack!
taking in slack.
So he was still out ahead
doing it
with,
right.
with
Don't
chalk,
we should record that.
flour, and paper, leave trail. And they tried
Right, this is how you follow the rope.
Wasn't, I mean, it's funny how we used to have a lot of people that then they go through it somehow. I don't know. I mean, sometimes. Have you ever run a marathon?
That's okay. Again, used to being in
But not a full mile.
42.
Camera.
But the
The problem is
poison.
when you rest your knees, like you don't have your lung power.
No way. Bottom?
Set it on back.
Step on the rope, that's $5. You know what to do. If I offer it to you, you don't accept it, that's your prerogative.
Like me.
Marami namang mahawakan kay Vincent.
Nakakaawa naman kasi yung na-enjoy.
But in case natanggal yung kamay mo, no? And you fall, grab me. Grab any part of me.
May special offer yan.
Special discount for the right piece you grab.
Oh! Mas okay this year.
Nakatulong pa sa akin, no? Okay. Good. Camera.
Hey!
Okay. There. I'm here.
Baka gawa dyan somewhere.
Somewhere. Next week. Ito na. Kasi baka gamitin sa taas din ito. Flat.
Hangawit.
Okay. Delay. But flat will stick more.
Same here.
Around here.
Yeah.
How many fillets do I have there? What? I'm going to another. I have 3 I'm going to
So, should we, okay?
count like another.
No.
Okay, that's what I think.
You stay here first. Hey, my God, I can see your study on the road.
Partner!
Isa na lang to, wala na.
But not in front of other people.
Hey, Savage, you're next.
Hey, Doc Savage, you're next. Patay ka, Savage. You're dead. Jojo!
Mamaya na, wala pang rope available.
O, ano, Maki? Gagawin mo? Bini?
Anyway, I'm almost ready to go. Put the boat in on this one, and then
May umakyat? Attention!
Dito ka.
May market ba?
Oo.
Timing!
Ay. Dito ka. Dito.
Did you flip it back in?
Yeah. It is already 12:55 and Jay is climbing the
What is this? What's this again? Blue? No? This the one?
Medyo anong pangalan sa taas? Cessna? Okay, ball. Attention! And Jay is climbing the towards cable while
Look, he's looking up.
some of the students are here with me in the ledge and some still climbing.
Hindi umabot eh. Kanina ako din.
And there's Chito. Hello. This is Jojo Gamboa reporting.
Yeah. Timing? Gusto mo naman ang init sa buhay? Tension muna bago climbing.
Ano yung corpus? Nasa meeting na? Bago?
Tira mo ako. Kaya mabigat kasi.
Ako magdala.
Hindi. Maybe, what are they doing? What are they releasing and... Doon? The blue. The blue. Ano yung nanda?
Ang ngawit to.
Hindi na naman ako sa pagkain. Best friend.
Good move.
Best friend. Yung kaibigan.
Huh?
Which like the camera?
Right, get there. Stop. Ikaw na? Ha? Ako na? Pwede na ba?
Ano na siya? Francis.
Hi, I am the cameraman.
Where? Oh, there. What?
Tama na. Take two.
This one, gago.
I'll give you 2 feet slack. Just so, you climb by yourself.
One more.
Hey, partner!
Stores in there's what's called Namdemo.
Hey, now. Hey, Jay, now if I need some more equipment, I know who to borrow from too. Although we have a lot, but in case we run out of it. Well, we have a lot of equipment already. Everybody ordered at the same time. Including you.
Vince, kulang pa tayo.
But I mean, I didn't know whether to buy locking carabiners or non-locking, and it seemed like the price was almost the same. So,
Well, the best is to buy 10 locking, 10 non-locking. Because sometimes you don't need locking. A lot of times you don't. Like for runners, you don't need locking. But if you played it safe, that's good. You played it safe right. Because it's safer to have a locking than a non-locking. That's good, Josie. Woo! But you made an error. Just kidding.
ito sana dyan, maganda eh, mula dito.
Good, good. Okay, just run through me here. Left, left, left.
Ang hirap lang sana.
Yes. Hey, can somebody not step on the rope there, please?
Walang mahunang
There's so much friction. Here, left. Move. Move left. Watch the rope. Okay. Sa back. Hindi mo makita niyan eh. Lalagay mo sa likod. Yan. Doing fine.
Dito ba niya makita?
Rope dyan na nagda-drag sa baba. Remove it so you won't step on it. Okay, go ahead. All systems go. Right. Not too far back. Your right hand should be a bit above, further forward. Yeah, okay. Okay, good. Hold on. Wait. Release the lock. Okay. Just keep on releasing it. You only lock it when he falls or something happens, but keep it open all the time. Okay, climber down. Chito! Chito!
Iyak si Chito!
Iyak na.
Tumutulo!
Alin?
Laway.
That's good. Okay. Okay, safety up. We have a figure eight. Next. Move to your left. Move to your left. Move to your left. Move to your left. Suki.
Okay. Yes, anyway. Kala niya. Left. I'm going to the right.
No, move to your left.
That's why.
Don't hold.
You kept on saying move to your left and then
Yeah.
keep on going to the right. Sorry.
Go to you.
Go to Ralph.
10 pesos. You're
Naloko
stepping
mga
on the rope.
kapinsit ah.
Movies?
Camera.
Ayos
Yeah.
not.
This is stepping on the rope. It's $10.
Okay, go up.
Grabe ma.
Isang kwenta.
Mamaya si
Laban si
Tito. Saka Lamerican on ano naman. On single rope system naman sila.
Careful, Jay.
Hey, what are you doing, Jay?
Partner!
Ito ang... Ito na. Sige, 50 boy mo. Okay. Tama.
Medyo
Tama, no?
na dyan. O lalay ka muna dyan. Kung ready ka na, saka tabi mo with stop.
That's the beauty of it.
Kailangan ng ligado. Tayo ka, straight leg.
Luis ka pa.
Yeah. Straight line ka pare.
Okay. Weng, at all cost, at all cost, maski masakit na, never remove your right hand,
Aha.
Talsi ka niyan.
Yeah.
Even your left, leave it as where it is.
Dalawang linggo.
Okay, then last part please.
Mahabang collar.
Buti na lang yung uniform
Flying
na
collar.
Yung sakit, Kuya Eddie.
Climb her down.
Yan ang hinahanap namin.
Hindi, bakit ngayon? Kasi just in case mawala itong 8 nyo, ganun ang pwede nyo gamitin.
Yeah, that's a
Survival exercise.
remove first your, kasi may tumor ka kasi sa gitna Kung tanggalin mo muna yung tumor, hindi Oh, Marian, we're down! Ay, naka. Good job.
Flying problem.
If you don't use your tumor, lagay mo dun sa likod. Give me the gift. Okay, remove it.
Oh, stand back. Kanan ka.
Alam niya na Okay, Josie, just, it's okay. Dito pala. Yan, adjust mo. Sa shoulder mo lagay. Shoulder mo. That's good. Go to your left. Across.
Tagal mo yung camp, hindi masasakal siya.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Yung cup. Tanggalin mo na lang. Okay, move to your left. That's good, that's good. Good climbing there. Okay, safety rope. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. There. Huwag mo muna hilahin. Okay. Hindi, huwag mo muna hilahin.
Okay.
Kay Vicente.
Oh, Vince, with expression, Makita mo yung coke na facing the camera yun.
Alright!
Tira ka naman ka.
Explorations Unlimited and Coke go together. Coca-Cola.
Oh, Joe, this time with film.
Magpakagat ka na lang, shit! Yan, Josie. Yan, that's good. You're doing fine.
Si Carlos yan.
Ay, si Carlos pala. Okay, Med?
Hi, Chico.
Napakasalbahe ng rope mo, Chito. Ito na naman. Nagpapahirap na naman.
Kwentuhan muna tayo.
Wala na.
Dan, Salim. Are here? Hindi nila alam kung ano. Hindi nila alam kung saan galing yan.
Oh, Rafael! Ha? Galaw boy, galaw.
Ayun yun.
Tuwag na.
Hindi, meron lang.
Pop.
Walang.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ikaw nang nakapansin. Got away.
Ano yan?
Dapat doon ka pumuesto.
Sige, mamaya.
Ay, mga kapitbahay namin sa bangkal. Andito ako sa punta naman.
No.
Tingin mo na sa tingin mo na. Nag-iisipan mo.
Haba.
Ang loob.
Unclip it. Unclip mo muna. Ikaw na lang mag-clip din mamaya
Okay, so please.
para mabigay ko.
Okay.
So, before you move up here, clip it to yourself. Bottom, okay. Okay. Great. You can scramble down if you like. Okay, face the inside.
Pag-duwag classical.
Face the wall. Stay here. People up. Yeah, that's good there, right there. Don't worry,
Cover there.
Full center. Okay, right? Right-handed.
Tama yung mga ginagamit sa classical. Ginawawa na niyo.
Remove this.
Ginawa niyo. Matinong pinupan
Hold
mo.
it properly.
Drop it up yung ganda.
I'm sorry.
You won't be able to open, you won't be able to clasp it unless you move this thing, right? Hey, good. Clip. I need another locking. Locking?
Locking.
Okay.
Kaya pa napilipit.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, so
Nagpaulan ka kanina.
access. Right?
Konting ano lang.
Wala siya.
It's gonna jam. That's gonna jam the other way around. It should be left open all the time. See? Should be center should be. Kung ganun kanina din nag-extra. Diba?
May camera na ako dyan.
Yeah.
Gawin ko naman. May... Papapasyon. Papapasyon.
Okay. Here we go. All the way.
Sereno. Hindi ko maalala yung pangalan.
No? Just crumble down. Crumble down. Can I have a... Does anybody have an extra t-shirt or what? Or a jacket where I can...
I have a shirt.
You see the jacket?
I
Okay.
know.
I can wear the other shirt and give you this shirt.
I want the name
Dirty.
Something that you can...
Yan ang but some shirt.
Prepare
Gusto mo yung susunugin?
Ay, susunugin.
T-shirt or whatever.
Bye,
May legs doon. Just crumble down first. Baka matapa ka. Straight to the leg. Crumble down. Mawa ka, naka-safety rope.
Bye, Frog.
Put your hand on the bottom one.
Anyway, it's still under safety. Just crumble down first. Okay? Just crumble down to the ledge. Okay? Okay, now start move. Okay. Now you make your move. Okay. Everybody move your right hand, okay?
Okay.
Look where you're going. Good luck.
Good luck.
Snakes and alligators in the way.
Alam mo na daw difference kung bumagsak
Next
ka.
up, alligators in the bottom.
Di ba dapat nandun yun?
Yung, pag bumagsak ka sa fourth floor, you fall down to a fourth floor.
Live. 2000 feet for training. Probably they left Germany, but they'll be back this December. I'll continue flying this December. I only have about 4 hours flying time.
How much does it cost to buy one of those?
300,000. 300,000 USD.
Huh?
300,000. In US, it's how much is that in US?
15. No.
It's not for you to hold, it's for you to lock in. Some of you have a tendency to hold the rope. When I offer them the rope, they start holding the rope. Remember, this is not kid stuff, guys. You have to lock the rope into your harness and come and join me for a flight. You gotta jump to your conclusion once in a while.
Out, out, out.
Okay, face me, left to right.
Huwag yan. Huwag lang, yan.
Diyan dito, dito yung sa kami.
There, yin.
Nakikita mo yung ledge? Wrap the rope mo, lagay mo sa gitna. Sige. Scroll down. I really ask you to do that. To get your nerves going. Right hand down first. Okay, grab it. Look. Okay. Now, leave that top alone. Leave that top alone. Okay. Feed it properly, not too much. Feed it properly. Don't do that. Feed it slowly. Use your weight. Don't do that. Just use your weight. Pati na, something to find out.
Oo.
Kailangan mo mabigat eh.
Tell her harness, huh?
I was going to the States anyway.
Sila naka-helmet.
So I ordered it to my boss's house.
Uh-huh.
And then when I went to visit him, I picked it up from
Di ba
his
dyan tayo dati?
house.
Alright, and then you brought it back.
Yeah, in my suitcase.
Baba, taas mo ng konti, baka mahulog.
Dapat press ka lang ng press. Ito na yun.
Okay.
Ba dito?
Okay, okay din.
Okay ba yung sounds yan, Joe?
Hindi pa. Diyan.
Hindi okay yan? Wala?
Ayan, naririnig yan.
Naririnig?
Oo, ikaw.
As I was saying,
This is Jojo Gamboa reporting.
and another...
Bala.
Medyo gumawa ng recording ko, matibot. Matibot?
Chit. Bakit? Abot mo kaya? Dali ah. Ayun. Okay. Burn that yellow thing.
Okay, all the way. Go ahead. Here we go. Check your lock. Everything is locked, huh?
Saan yung kanyang kwan? A3 din. Pagbaba mo, send it up, harness. But it's only been only prevented to one place. Daming mga tao, outsiders. Only prevented one place. Pantay mo lang. Kinukuha mo yung mga equipment, no?
I can see them.
Yeah, like yung ginawa mo sa Santorin, no? Ito.
Things that you're
Decorating the wall.
I think they're gonna have that. But they're all clustered up. So wait. What? Oh wait.
That's a very
For you, my friend. Okay. Philippine. Sige, kung naman yung sarili mo. Sa baba. Sa baba. Mahirapan sa baka matumba siya. Lock mo pa.
I'll get the 8.
That's... Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I hope you're not too scared. I want you to try. I want you to try that thing down there, okay?
Ay, naku.
Okay, sige.
Okay, pakitanggal yung kwan.
Pwede yung...
May ma-anchor pa ako isa.
Okay. Anchor.
Down. Down somewhere. Down.
Okay. Sige. Tama kita. Sige, ako na mag-set up ng rappel, no?
Babalik pa itong mga...
Sige? Okay.
Good for what I'm thinking.
Sige. Ako na mag-set up, ha? Okay. Parang beginner student, kunyari.
Keeping calm.
Okay.
Milk.
Tapos,
Ilagay mo sa kaliwa.
kaliwa ka? Ah, okay, kaliwa. So, okay. Here. The rope. Okay.
I think you should have brought mine.
When you crawl down, of course, you have to shut it off for a while, no?
Mine, I had a good set.
Scroll down.
So heavy, I never took it.
Oh, tuloy-tuloy na.
Yeah.
Pwede na, tuloy-tuloy na. Oh, sorry.
Pinapadala ko
Chito, please.
I sold them in a garage sale because I never used them.
Chito.
It's quite strong for us. For a small.
Pwede rin patay muna.
Pag ito mo na, kunan mo to. What's wrong, Chit?
Naipit.
Kataksin.
Used to bring that in some concerts.
Okay.
No, pero nakakatawa yung itsura nila eh. It looks like
They don't know what to do.
they're parang like they're peeing all in the music.
Papatayin ko muna.
Okay, go ahead. Okay? Sige. So, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo kung saan.
Baka nahuli na yung gulpi na.
Okay. Go ahead. Sige. Beautiful. Oh, signal. Signal. Go ahead.
Magulo lang.
It's alright. Go ahead. Play with your destiny. A little to your left, Joe.
Ha?
Left, yan. Ganda yan. Sige, basta. Huwag mo hinto hanggang sa baba ka.
Hiro, pwede ko.
Di ba, Len? Just sige. Ganyan lang. Easy lang. Yan. Tapos yung pan out doon. Tapos balikan mo sa wall. Pan out ko sa baba. Sa tension mo lang kung gusto mo magpa. Oh, sa overhang. Pag-tension ka namin. Sa overhang. Sabi mo sa overhang. Then you can... Little to your right. Straight down. That's good. Pan out again. Pan out. May mga tao doon. Sabay yan eh.
Ha?
Sabay yata yan eh.
Baba! Sabi mo, baba!
Baba daw!
mo raw, sir.
Okay. We're planning to have a contact. Sabi ko nga, sana may cousin mula tamang December at gago na pinagpalit. Baka mabuntis ako.
Baka mabuntis ah.
Ilang months ba siya? No, years.
Years?
Kaya sigurado ako
Still in
mabubuntis.
Australia?
She's in the States now. Called up.
He left-handed Mario.
I know.
Okay, hindi ako nagkaroon ng ano ngayon, no? Last time, di ba, nagano to? Kasi, takot ako na naman doon. Kasi may ledge.
Ay, nako.
Kaya picture of Mario.
Left-handed pala siya.
Yes, yan. Pag mga delikado.
Kuan mo na. Pangiti na siya.
Ang sarap!
Sarap! Ngiti-ngiti siya. oh. Wait! Tayo mo, class boy! Baka bawag na! Release it, man! Release it! Forma, wey! Forma! Ngiti naman siya, no? Kunyari, kita ko. May camera!
Lukuhanan ka!
Meron!
Hoy, Bam! What? Alright?
Bigla ka tumawag sa